K1 Games here. This is a remake of an original video where I had it all white and it was just so bright I couldn't tell what the hell was going on. So I went ahead and made it a different color, red. Hopefully this will upload a little better. Anyway, this is what I call my best house auto delivery system track for an entire world. You can put this behind every house and never have a problem with delivering anything. Now I'll show you what I mean here. I'm going to slowly go on and show you this side first, and then I'll pause and show you the other side. I got a detector rail 5 blocks away from the drop-off. On the drop-off, there's a gold track, another gold track, then a regular track, then another angle gold track, another angle gold track, and then a regular track, another regular track, and then the gold track going up. Okay, I'm slowly sliding this thing so you can see what's going on. Okay, the detector rail hits that repeater, which goes into that dust there, dust here, these two dusts here, dust here, and here. These two dusts go to a torch that's behind that block back there, okay, which I'll show you on the other side. And then the dust here is to help the fence gate come out and stop the cart so it can unload things. And it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blocks away from the original repeater that has the detector rail on it. So that's what I use that for. I just modified that part. And that's on a 1 tick delay. The engine for the drop-off, sorry I gotta do that. The engine for the drop-off is a comparator coming out into a repeater, into dust, into another repeater facing another repeater going into the comparator. Okay, the hopper there, this one, is facing that direction into another hopper facing this direction, into another hopper facing that direction, and then going that way, so that it can stay away from the redstone torch that is not on this block, but it's on underneath this block. The reason I have this block as a half block is if it was solid with the redstone torch underneath it, it would lock up this hopper and it wouldn't let it let the items come out of it. Okay, all right, now hold on, let me pause it and I'll go swing around the front so it's not so blurry. Now you can see the hopper design, how that's coming out, how I said they come out. One goes to the right, one goes down, and one goes to the left, and then they come around. You got to keep this one line hoppers at least one line away from the track, or it'll lock up stuff. Okay, now remember I said the redstone torch is on the other side of that block? There's a redstone torch powering this block, and then it has dust going into a block. No dust on top of the block, or you'll lock the hopper up. That one redstone dust will power that block, which powers that rail. That's how that works. Okay, now let me pause again and I'll go down and show you the other engine at the bottom. On the original track, I turned it sideways, and all it is a block coming out with dust on it onto another block with dust and a comparator behind it, a block above that one with a comparator in front of that, in front of the hopper that's dropping stuff off, with a redstone torch on the back of this block. I put another stopper on this one, same thing, angled gold tracks. See, these two tracks here are on an angle so that the thing can't get stuck, even if it, it'll keep right on going. It hasn't never got stuck in 5 weeks now. I've been testing this thing, and this is the best version I've ever come up with, so I'm using it in my world. And actually, it's half built. I'd say I've used about 6,000 iron so far in my world, in my survival world. That's a long build. But the cool thing is about this build is now that nothing will get stuck, and I took the center out because even if this hopper doesn't pick up anything, like right now, you'll notice the gate will shut. See? So the next time around, it's going to pick up the items and take them to the next house, wherever it needs to go. Now the epiphany is what I'll show you next. One more pause. Okay, the epiphany was this. I was trying to figure out a way in order to get any house to deliver to every house. And I did it already and just didn't know it. I had an epiphany about it. So say I'm in my fictitious house, and this house takes, melons, pumpkins, and fish, or whatever. And say I don't have any slots left in my area, in my room, but I need to eat something and I'm dying. I need to get rid of something, right? So all I got to do is go in this chest, throw all my whatever in there. I know I threw food in there. I just said I need to eat something. But you hear the gate? If you look down there, the gate turned on. It will now get delivered to the house that has pork chops or lamb or fish or whatever. And I can grab whatever I want in this house and take it with me without having to deliver or sort or take anything anywhere. That's why I say this is the best item delivery house machine ever built. That's what I call it, because I ain't never seen nothing like this on YouTube, and I hope you guys enjoy building it. I'm going to fly up here one more time to let you guys get a bird's eye view of this thing. It's very small and compact. It's very easy to build once you get an idea of how to do it. It'll be really easy for you. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, check out my earlier versions and you'll see what I mean, how small I've got this thing. My versions 1, 2, 3, 4 part series. This is the engine I'm going to use for the item house delivery, but the other stuff in there is all going to be used for the other parts of my builds. So now you know how it works. I hope you enjoyed the video, and you've had long enough to take pictures and build this thing yourself. So now you know how to do it, and enjoy it. Have a nice day.